My name is Catherine Jimenez, and I am an instructor, a performing artist, an educator. I have been with the Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater pretty much my entire life. I started training there when I was about 5 or 6 years old, and I continue to train there, always studying in New York style mambo outside of the Ailey School. About 5 or 6 years ago, I became the first New York style mambo instructor, and it has been my pleasure to share the culture, the music, and the different techniques, the heritage of where we come from. I've had such an amazing time here with the Dance Institute of Washington. The students are so driven and they love to dance, and you can feel that energy in the room. So it has been my pleasure to watch them move and to bring a little bit of what we do down in New York City over here. DIW is all about inclusion and diversity, and that is our mission also at the Ailey School. So it was beautiful to see how two studios can connect, and to be a part of this legacy is really beautiful. Young artists who are aspiring to become professionals in the field, I would say stay focused, stay dedicated. There's going to be a lot of people along your journey that may tell you that it's not possible and that you can't do it. And it's good to listen to the people around you who care about you, but it's really important to stick to your vision. And even though you love it, sometimes you're not going to want to get up and stretch or practice, but it's important that you continue to do so. Yeah, you are taking care of this one body that you've been given, so make sure that you use it and that you enjoy the process.
My name is Lisa Johnson Willingham, and I am the director of the Ailey Extension. What an incredible experience I've had this weekend as a proud Washingtonian returning home to teach at Dance Institute of Washington. This organization is so wonderful and amazing. Their team worked well with us. They fit right into our mission, which is dance came from the people and should be delivered back to the people. What I've seen this weekend from DIW is inclusivity and a diverse program, which we offer at Ailey.
Yeah, you're back. And this thing! Yeah, you have to go there. Here we go.
The advice I would give to a DIW dancer is keep going. Perseverance, passion, dedication, and commitment to your art form is what's going to make it work. Listen to your heart and your mind and focus.
Dance is 90% here. No, 10% here and 90% here. Really want detail is important. Yes? 6.
Focus on the prize and don't allow anyone to tell you what you can and cannot do. A lot of times I use my affirmation, I will not use the word can't to define my possibilities. So my advice would be, keep going. You got it, baby.
Coming and dancing because you love it. Movement is life. Everything moves. Yes, movement is life. So continue to move, continue to share your uniqueness. There's no one on earth like you. Yes?